Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Think and Grow. Think before you do. In this video, we are going to see about the summary of first law from the 48 laws of power. Never outshine the master. Always make those above you feel comfortably superior. Hide the extent of your own talents, as your master may otherwise feel insecure. The better you make your master appear, the greater the level of power you will attain. Those above you want to feel secure and superior in their position. This may involve making a few harmless mistakes so that you can ask your master for help. If, however, you are more naturally charming than your master, it would be best to avoid working for them entirely. You can also watch the other laws from the 48 Laws of Power playlist. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel. Make sure to leave a like and press that little bell icon. Thanks for watching.